Today, I'll show you how to turn off the Steam Client Webhelper, a feature that can sometimes cause performance issues or simply be an unnecessary use of resources on your computer. By the end of this guide, you'll have a better understanding of how to manage your system's resources more effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Steam app open on your computer. Steam is a popular gaming platform that allows you to purchase, download, and play a wide range of games. It also has various features to enhance your gaming experience, one of which is the Steam Client Webhelper. However, if you find that your system is slowing down, disabling this feature can help. Once you've opened Steam, you'll need to access your task manager. This is a tool that gives you a snapshot of the programs and processes currently running on your computer, and it can be very useful for managing performance. To get there, press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard. This key combination will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, select Task Manager. If you're on Windows 10 or 11, you might notice the interface is divided into several tabs, such as Processes, Performance, App History, and more. For our purposes, make sure you're on the Processes tab. This tab lists all the applications and background processes that are currently active. In the list of processes, look for the Steam Client Webhelper. It might be running multiple instances, so don't be alarmed if you see it listed more than once. The Webhelper is responsible for some of the web-based features within the Steam app, but if you're experiencing slowdowns or just want to reduce background activities, then disabling it temporarily is a good idea. Once you've located the Steam Client Webhelper, click on it to highlight it. After selecting it, you'll notice an option to end task in the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window. Click on End Task. This will effectively terminate the process, freeing up your system's resources and potentially improving performance. Keep in mind that ending the Steam Client Webhelper task might affect some features within Steam that rely on web-based functionalities, like the store or community pages. If you find you need these features back, simply restart Steam and the Webhelper will run again automatically. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage the Steam Client Webhelper. Understanding how to control processes on your computer can vastly improve your experience, especially if you're dealing with performance issues. It's a handy skill to have, not just for gaming, but for overall computer management. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital life.